Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. My name is Peter from Sun Channel, and I hope this finds you well. If this is your first time to run into this channel, kindly look at my content. If you find it helpful, I urge you to consider subscribing, share, like, and give me a comment below this video. I'm doing this video today because I talked to some of their friends and I looked at their social media platforms. There's some sort of information circulating, and I've been doing a lot of research to find out what it is. And today I decided to make a video on it so I can get your input and see if we can help some people with this information who do not know. So without any further ado, let me get started. So I'm going to talk about Form I-407. Personally, I don't know much about this form before, but since I've seen it, people talk about it, I went an extra mile to do some research on it and found out what this form is. So when I went to the Immigration Homeland Security website, Department of Homeland Security, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, I Googled this form and found it. And reading through it is talking about the abandonment of a green card. So the purpose of this form is to sign a record of abandonment of lawful permanent status, and it's designed to provide a simple procedure to record an individual's abandonment of status as a lawful permanent resident of the United States. If you use this form, that is 407, you would ensure that the individual abandonments of the legal permanent resident status is informed of the rights, the legal rights of a hearing before an immigration judge, and that the individual is knowingly and willingly and affirmatively waiving the rights they have. So as a precaution, I've heard a lot of people say that if you do have a green card, you travel home overseas, and when coming back at the port of entry, whichever port of entry, when you go through the migration, there are chances of being stopped, asked where you went for your vacation, what you want to do, how long you stay there, and if they find anything suspicious, or they feel like they should take you to another extra set of questions, they will sometimes they might ask you to sign a form, the form I've said, which is I-407. And if you are tricked to sign this form, you are simply abandoning your legal status, which means you will not have a green card. Once you sign, then you might be put in the next plane to go back to your country. This video is not The purpose of my video is not to scare anybody. This is for information purposes. And I am not an immigration lawyer. I'm not an immigration attorney, and I'm not advising anybody to do anything to this form. I'm just doing a research as a precaution, so that you can be informed of what is going on. So where we are right now, things are becoming tough and tough. You see people being deported every time, and we don't know what is going to happen. But if you do have a green card and you're planning to go home and you are coming back at the port of entry, if you are given any documents to sign, don't just sign without necessarily knowing what you signed for. And the chances are that they will give you the form I've said, which is I-407. But if they give you and they tell you to sign, don't sign, please. Just don't sign. Ask them that you would like to see your immigration lawyer. If you don't have one, you will at least get time to go and find one. But the thing is, don't sign this form. Simply, if you sign, you are simply waiving your rights and you are abandoning your green card. So, in simple terms, do not sign this form, and just ask to see the immigration lawyer. Because if you do, the chances are that he might put you back, that you have already signed the form. They will keep the form, and they will let you go. So thank you so much. Let me know what you think. It's the information I found today. And I am going to link this form under below this video, so that if you are following this video, you can also look at it, read. It's a big form. It has a lot of information, and you can read what it says so that you can be aware. And if you would like to help anybody who does not know about this form, so you can get well informed. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.